How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell.
Attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to tab 2 and monitor the chase.
Lifeguard. If caught in the rip current, relax and float, and do not swim against the current. If able, swim in a direction following the shoreline. If unable to escape, face the shore and yell or wave for help. For UV index definitions plus more on rip current and beach safety, see https://weather.gov/beach/OKX.
You gonna tone it now? Thank you.
Service has issued Tornado Watch number 605, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Long Island Sound debris field attention all mariners in the Long Island Sound area. Caught in the rip current, relax and float, and do not swim against the current. If able, swim in a direction following the shoreline. If unable to escape, face the shore and yell or wave for help. For UV index definitions plus more on rip current and beach safety, see https://weather.gov/beach/OKX.
619.
Tornado Watch number 605 remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, and Sussex. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What?
Tornado Watch number 605 remains in effect until 11 p.m. and now includes the following marine locations: coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado watch number 605 remains in effect until 11 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Warren, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset, and Sussex, and the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little.
Why did it list out the counties like that? That bothers me. It wasn't listed in alphabetical order. It was listed by freaking time of issuance for each county. Like, what? No.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, Camden County, Mercer County, Salem County, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Gloucester County, northwestern Burlington County, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Honeybrook to near Kennett Square to near Cecileton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Westchester, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Nueces, Medford, and Pottstown. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 8. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 359. Northeast Extension between mile markers 21 and 39. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 2 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile...
Yeah, bro, no way that was gonna fit under 2 minutes.
Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds.
Yeah, there was no way that was gonna fit under the 2-minute timer. No way. SVA 608 just got posted. Let's see how long it takes Upton for Upton to tone this.
Easing to 15 to 20 knots until early morning.
And I think Albany lit up too, so I'm gonna turn them on too.
Damaging winds are the primary threat. Further information.
Bitch ass.
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 608, effective until 1 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey. Remember, Hudson, Passaic, and Union, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: New York Harbor and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for radar statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This amazes me.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware.
It amazes me how you toned this within 2 minutes, and yet you toned Mount Holly's watches later. That amazes me. Do not tell me they're doing this freaking delay again.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
Oh no.
Seas 1 foot or less, then around
Do not tell me there.
afternoon.
Do not tell me that IEM delay is
Showers
back.
and thunderstorms.
Do not.
Winds and seas may be higher in and near thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the Long Island South Shore bays. For tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots until early morning, then diminishing to 10 to 15 knots late. Waves 1 foot or less, then 1 to 2 feet after midnight. Chance of showers and thunderstorms early, then showers and thunderstorms likely. And for Tuesday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the morning. Winds and waves. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Atlantic County, Ocean County, southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County, Mercer County, east central Gloucester County, Burlington County, southern Somerset County, Monmouth County, Middlesex County, southern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Doylestown to near Washington Crossing to Tullatown to near Medford to near Hamilton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, and Manalapan. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 12. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 356 and 359. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 45 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7, in between mile markers 9 and 11. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 47 and 134. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 22 and 33. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southern, central, northern and northwestern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a...
That cut off. And doubleheader? Yep. How is that unrecognized? Your signal is clear.
In Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 41 nautical miles west of Cliffwood Beach to 30 nautical miles southwest of South Amboy to 25 nautical miles west of Pine Beach to 24 nautical miles northwest of Atlantic City, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seagirt Reef, Ship Bottom, Atlantic Highlands, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, La Valette, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Ocean Gate, Leonardo, Little Egg Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Fork River and Fair Haven. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southern and central New Jersey and the adjacent coastal waters. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Tuesday afternoon. For tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots.
Okay, so I think that 2-minute IEM bot delay is back. Because I got notified of that SVR, and it took about like maybe a minute or two before KWO35 toned it. So that doesn't explain why they toned Mount Holly's watch 10 minutes after it was issued, but I will say I have ran into this interesting little kerfuffle before, and I just ate my own words. Holy crap.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania,
Holy crap.
Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Harmony to Kunklatown to near Lehigh University, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Wilson, Washington, Blairstown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Slalington, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Bath, Belvedere, and Harmony. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 57 and 72, and between mile markers 74 and 92. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 54. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 282 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 9. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern New Jersey and eastern and northeastern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern New Jersey and eastern and northeastern Pennsylvania. Here is the
My brother in Christ, chill.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles southwest of South Amboy to 20 nautical miles northwest of Pine Beach to 19 nautical miles northwest of Beach Haven, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Raritan Bay around 8:10 p.m. Sandy Hook Bay around 8:20 p.m. Lower New York Harbor and the Verrazano Narrows Bridge around 8:25 p.m. Upper New York Harbor around 8:30 p.m. Rockaway Inlet around 8:35 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound east of the mouth of the Connecticut River, Taconic and Gardiner's Bays, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:15 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Gardiner's Island, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near western Block Island Sound around 8:20 a.m. The Race around 8:25 a.m. Fisher's Island around 8:30 a.m. Stonington around 8:40 a.m. Move to safe harbor until